How to handle substitutions and out of stock items in your Instacart order. If you want to handle substitutions, for example, if you sell via Instacart shopper and you sell some items, you want to handle substitutions and out of stock options, then you must set replacement preferences in advance by choosing to replace with specific item or replace with the best matched item or refund this item for each product in your cart. You can also communicate directly with your shopper via the app's chat feature to provide last-minute instructions like requesting a specific replacement or confirming a refund. So whether you are a customer trying to buy some groceries and basically it is out of stock in your Instacart order, right? Or if you are a seller selling items and groceries and it is out of stock, you can set both of these features in advance. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.